guys, so ngayon dito tayo sa Minecraft and gagawa tayo ng new world survive. Alright, so name natin ito ng Jasmine, and then maglagay tayo dito ng cheats. There we go. And also I think we will use that. So ngayon guys, so ito po tayo mob spawning. So para mas maganda, walang spam, walang mobs, no. So command block, and so dito tayo general multiplayer. So let's create. So yeah. So nandito tayo. Antay lang tayo. Masyadong mahina ang connections dito guys. So nagkaantay lang tayo para magkaroon ng yung goal lang po natin, makahanap ng diamonds. So let's go. Alright, so nandito na tayo. So mag-break na tayo ng woods. Buti na dito tayo sa may woods section. There we go. Wala na cellphone, pero pagbalik namin sa Pinas, pwede na po ako magpipisa na po ako pagbalik namin. So let's go. I think this one is here, and there we go. So already got some wood, so we will make a crafting table. Yung goal lang natin is to find diamonds. So let's go. Let's do it. There we go, and now we will get the crafting table. Now we will make some sticks. There we go. And now we're gonna put our crafting table. Now we will make an pickaxe. Oh, I think I just put it one. Oh no. Okay, two is enough, alright. So next, pickaxe. So there we go. So tapos na po tayo. And next, so yung ano pa natin po is, oh wait. Dito kulay-kulay, pero no. So let's go. There we go guys. And then, so magkakaroon tayo yung crafting table dito. So guys, yung goal lang natin guys is maghanap din tayo man. So hahanap tayo. Pero wala akong nakikita may cave dito eh. So kailangan muna natin maghanap ng village. Wait, so guys. So sabay ito sa garo. Malawin tayo. So guys, napunta dito, magugutom din tayo. So maghanap din tayo. Uy, may village dun. So doon guys, pwede na tayo makaano. Tamaan natin yung iron column. So pwede tayo gumawa ng shield. Yung goals, this is oh, may pili. Oh, village. Okay guys, may apple. Alright, meron din silang iron sword. And then that. Ay, there we go. Lalabas na tayo. So guys, maghanap pa tayo dito. Meron eh. Oh! Okay, may pumpkin naman dito guys. So meron dito yung pwede kang kumain. Ay! So this, ay yung puso talaga. Magpapalo tayo guys. Oh! Alright guys, so ito na. So I think meron na tayo enough na pagkain. And also, wait a minute, ano yun? Search na wala yun eh. So ngayon nandito tayo, maghanap po tayo dito ng. So at least guys na natin makahanap yung village or kaya kuweba. Wait a minute. So parang gumawa ng pumpkin pie. So guys, sakto may nakita akong pumpkin dito. Dito lang malapit dito guys. So guys, kung ano dito, ay, mali. Ito yung mga pumpkin guys. So, baka ang dami. So, mawa na tayo. Oh. Here we go. Pero guys, inaano nyo lang paano daw gumawa ng pumpkin pie. So, there we go. If we go to this. So then guys, kukunin natin itong crafting table natin. Itong crafting table, ilalagay natin dyan. Oh no way, got all diamonds, guys. Ours. This is also catchy, guys. So ngayon guys, kailangan natin makahangin. Alright, here we go. So, okay. Okay. Yung kailangan natin makahangin. So, okay, dito. Okay. So, dito. May ilaw. Ay, ganito na lang guys. Kapag hindi ako nakagawa 12 minutes. Huh?
And they were inside.
Yeah. Wait. Oh my god, wala na. Okay guys, 12 minutes na. So, bye-bye. So guys, kung na-enjoy na na to, please, let's go. So, sana subscribe na ako sa channel ko. And let's go, bang, bang, bang. Bye-bye.